This is the final worksheet on understanding basics of solving algebraic equation, part 3. Here we have combined addition, subtraction with multiplication and division. And we will combine both the operations which we have learned so far and try to see how to solve these kinds of equations. Okay. Why is it an equation? Because it has equal to sign. And why is it an algebraic equation? Algebraic because it has a variable, correct? So algebraic equation should have a variable and equal to sign. And solving means what? To make left side equals to right hand side. How? Finding a value of x which can do this magic. Okay. Now let's try to do. So first we learn that if it is x plus something, then we have to take away of that plus something. And if it is times, then we have to get rid of that times by doing opposite operations. So what operation should you do first here? If it is 2x plus 1 equals to 15, first we should get rid of this plus thing. So we'll do minus 1 both sides. When you do minus 1 both sides, what do you get? We get 2x here equals to 15 minus 1 as 14. Now, once you get 2x equals to 14, now you have to get rid of 2x. How will you get rid of 2x? So what will you do now? We have got 2x equals to 14. To get rid of 2x, what will you do? We will divide by 2 both sides. If you divide by 2 both sides, you get just x here. So x is equals to 14 divided by 2, 7. Do you get my solution? Now you should check. How will you check? Put 7 as x. So 2 times 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Oh, correct. Let's do the next one. Help me now. What should you do? Get rid of 5 first. So minus 5 both sides. Okay. Once you do minus 5 both sides, you are left with minus 3x equals to 15 minus 17 minus 5 is 12. Now, you got minus 3x equals to 12. How will you solve for x? We got to divide by minus 3. Minus 3, okay? Not just 3, minus 3. If you do that, minus 3 cancels out and we get x equals to 12 divided by 3 is 4 and plus divided by minus is minus. X equals to minus 4. Can we check our answer? Yes, we can. Minus 3 times minus 4 is plus 12. Plus 12 plus 5 is plus 17. That's what it is. Let's do one more. To get rid of minus 6, we have to add 6 both sides. And when we do so, we are left with 3x equals to minus 15 plus 6, which is, first take away 5, it becomes minus 10, and then take away one more, minus 9. Now, second statement, you got to divide by 3, okay? Let me write this again, and then divide this by 3 both sides. Whatever we do on left side, you have to do on right side because it is equal to in between. If you don't, then you change the statement. It is no more equal, right? So minus 9 divided by 3 is minus 3. Can we check our answer? Yes, of course. X equals to minus 3. Put it here. Minus 3 times 3 is minus 9. Minus 9 minus 6 is minus 15. Now, let me give you questions which has division in it. Let's say half x plus 1 equals to 10. Let's say minus of 1 over 3x minus of 2 equals to, let's say 12. And let me write minus 2 over 3x plus 1 equals to, let's write a number as 10. Okay, how does it matter? Let's see, what do we get? Now guide me. How am I going to do it? First, I have to get rid of minus 1. Is that okay? So, I take away 1 from both the sides. What do I get? I get half x equals to how much? 10 minus 1 is 9. Next step, multiply by 2 both sides, right? If I do that, what do I get? X is equals to 18. Does it make sense? Yes, it does. Let's continue this operation. You'll do plus 2. When you do plus 2, what do you get? You get minus 1 over 3x is equals to 12 plus 2 is 14. So minus 1 over 3x equals to 14. What is x equals to? You will multiply by 3 minus. Okay, we should do it. So we'll do minus 3 times both sides. Do you see? I'm trying to move fast because now you understand. Minus 3 times. There is no minus here. Do you understand? Think like this. Don't do 3 minus 1 over 3. That is a common mistake which student can do. Okay, don't do that. Minus 3 divided by 1 over 3 is plus 1. So you get x equals to minus 3 times 14 is 4 times 3 is 12, 2, 1 there, and 3 times 1 is 3, so you get 42. Correct. Here we have to take away minus 1 both sides, so you are left with minus 2 over 3x equals to 9. To find x, what should I do? I should multiply by 3 over 2 with a negative sign. Do you understand? It's better to put them in bracket. This also in brackets. Okay? So multiply by minus 3 over 2. Correct? So when you do so, minus 3 over 2, 2 over 3 cancel. You get x equals to minus is minus. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 over 2 is your answer. Do you get it? Correct. Now this is how you do solve algebraic equations which involves both multiplication division operations and addition subtraction. Here are some questions for you to do now. Okay, let me write down a few questions for you. Try it out. If you don't get them, then you can write your comments and I can help you out with those problems. So let me write first multiplication types. So we get 3x minus 5 equals to, let's say, 26. You may not get whole numbers. Remember that. Okay. Second, half a, I'm using a different variable, plus 3 equals to 12. Now, 2 over 3p minus 5 equals to 15, let us say. Here also you may not get whole number. Answers can be in fractions. Okay, try these questions and you'll find many more in your books and somewhere. Do them. You can even do the questions which we did just now. Correct? Or let me give you some more. We get 2x plus 6 equals to 10, and I can write 3 over 4p minus 4 equals to 5, and here I can say q minus 2 over 3 equals to 1 over 6. Let me make it 2q. So I have put some fractions here to make things difficult for you. Here what should you do? You should add 2 over 3 both sides and then divide by 2. Do you get the idea of doing it? I hope so. Okay, thank you.